Hello everyone and welcome to Crewe Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely T-Cross SE we've currently got for sale, finished in a gorgeous Reef blue metallic paintwork. It features the 1 litre TSI petrol engine producing 115 PS, and that's mounted with a 6-speed manual gearbox as well. Now, being an approved used car from ourselves, you've got your 2 years warranty, 2 years roadside assistance, 2 years MOT cover and much more. It's a fantastic range of benefits available to you there. If you need any more information throughout the video, please call us on 01270 864 452. At the front there, you've got your LED daytime running lights, keeping you visible on the road at all times. Down the side of the car, you've got your lovely 17-inch Clayton alloy wheels that finish off the exterior perfectly. Got your optionally fitted electrically foldable door mirrors to the side there for extra convenience as well. Let's jump into the rear of the vehicle now, just give you a closer look at these lovely seats. So the pattern cloth seats there, providing plenty of comfort and warmth. Nice fixed point on the outer seats. There's a little bit of storage there, as well as a couple of power outlets, allowing your rear passengers to charge their devices while on the move. Just move around to the rear of the vehicle now. You do get a generous amount of boot space on offer with the adjustable boot floor currently in its lowest setting. You have 60-40 split folding seats available as well, so plenty of room for multiple large suitcases or any further luggage. Also optionally fitted to this car is front and rear parking sensors with total peace of mind whilst parking up. Let's jump into the front of the vehicle now. Just give you a close look at these lovely seats there. She's got lumbar support and also that armrest on offer to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. Got a touchscreen infotainment system and a leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel on offer as well. That concludes the 360 walk around. Just going to jump behind the wheel in a moment and go through some interior features. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, make sure you do click the button below for more content. Just behind the wheel now on the left hand side, you've got your volume control settings as well as your cruise controls and also your lane assist there as well. On the right hand side, controls all information on this digital display. You've got your different driving data in here, such as your range, miles per gallon and much more. So move on to the built-in infotainment screen now. It's got digital radio, so plenty of storage here for your favourite radio stations. With a huge range of options to choose from the DAB station list to keep you entertained on the move at all times. Got multiple media inputs also available, a couple of USB ports dotted around the cabin, with the CD player and SD card slot nicely hidden away in the glove box. And of course your Bluetooth connectivity for your phone calls and also your music streaming. You don't have to worry about navigation either with the AppConnect system on board, giving you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, and this allows you to mirror apps in your smartphone directly onto the screen, such as Google Maps, Waze, Spotify and many more. Your front and rear parking sensors there have audible warnings to keep that paintwork in top condition. And just moving a little bit further down the cabin now, you've got your manual air conditioning, so plenty of adjustment here to keep you nice and comfortable on the road at all times. A little bit below there, you've got a little bit of storage and a couple of USB ports allowing you to charge multiple devices. A couple of cup holders down the centre, and a little bit of storage under that armrest there as well, for any valuables to keep out of sight. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you've got any questions on this car or would like to book in for a test drive, please don't hesitate to contact our friendly sales team on 01270 864 452. They'll be more than happy to assist further. And don't forget to ask about our flexible finance options on this car as well. Once again, thanks so much for watching and take care.